Oh, you're supposed to kiss? Do you love Daddy?
No. Yeah.
Are you ever going to get married?
No.
Do you want a pony? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What does a duck say? What's a duck? What does a cow say? You're way too close to her. What does a cow say? Why are you doing that? Should keep. It's not focused.
I get in the mouth! Wow. Open up your mouth. Christiane, where's your mouth? Whoa, whoa. You got a plate? Ooh.
Why are you zooming up on every little thing? Don't.
Hey, look, it's Christiane. The baby. You're on TV.
We're both yawning.